The Petroleum Safety Authority Norway is an official regulator. Our job is to enforce and develop the regulations and to ensure that Norway's oil and gas industry maintains high standards of health, safety and environmental protection. Responsibility for operating properly rests with the players themselves. We give priority to supervising those activities which pose the biggest risks and challenges for safety and the working environment. Our primary approach is to assess the company's own systems for managing their operations. Norway gives great weight to dialogue between employers, unions and government, and accordingly has several important fora for such tripartite collaboration. A major accident is the worst imaginable scenario. We supervise the way company managements handle risk. Barriers are measures designed to prevent incidents happening or developing. They must be effective and robust at all times. The regulations specify the level of safety to be achieved by the companies, not what they should do in detail to meet these requirements. We cooperate with both employers and unions to develop good norms and standards. The industry is required to build safety into every phase of its business. Our role is to ensure that the companies operate responsibly and avoid environmentally harmful emissions or discharges. We continuously monitor trends in the industry's risk level. Our goal is that nobody working in the petroleum sector should fall ill, be injured, or lose their life. We supervise the way the industry predicts and prevents every kind of hazard. Technology is constantly developing. For instance, many operations on the Norwegian continental shelf could be remotely controlled from land in the future. New information solutions must not create fresh risks, but help to improve HSE. Emergency preparedness is intended to prevent or limit the consequences of accidents. We check that companies have a response organization capable of handling all imaginable emergencies in any kind of weather. Production of Norwegian oil and gas continues around the clock throughout the year and involves several thousand people. In the widest sense, our work at the PSA involves following up the industry to ensure that it works purposefully to see that nobody is injured or killed, that pollutants are neither emitted nor discharged, and that no material assets are lost. Good HSE management is essential for value creation and security of supply. We will always be a prime mover in making sure that the Norwegian petroleum industry can rank a world leader for HSE. The Petroleum Safety Authority Norway. Clear, independent, dynamic.